Hello class, how are you? I hope you're doing fine and enjoying your spring break. I'm your teacher Saima Shehryar from Beacon House School System, and today I've chosen a very interesting topic for you, and that is how to write a biography, right? So let's see. Now, what is a biography and how do you write it? So these are a few characteristics of it. The first comes, we'll explain the definition, then the characteristics, then the generic structure, grammar and language features, types and function of a biography. I'll give you an example also. So let's move on to the next. All right, so what's the definition? Let's see now. The word biography comes from medieval Greek, all right? So biography is a detailed description or account of a person's life. Biography is life story of a person written by someone else. It is non-fiction text. Usually biographies are about historical figures, but sometimes they're also about people still living. The writer is called the biographer. For example, if you are writing it, then you will be the biographer of your own biography. All right, so let's see. Characteristics now. Let's go through them. Is it not written by the subject? Is always written in third person, is based on research, not on imagination. It means that you really have to do the research work. Describes the person's surrounding, where, when, and how the person lived. Shows how the person affected other people's life through their behavior, discoveries, social reform, etc. Supplies details that illustrate the person's individuality. Use vivid language to narrate events. So that it means that you have to use good language skills. All right, girls? Generic structure, introduction, orientation. It gives the readers the background information of the person. It is the opening paragraph. It usually contains newsworthy information about the person. A series of events, what happened in his life, that's what you're going to do that. The event should be in chronological order, like it should be moving from his birth to the very end of his life, or if he's still alive, that goes on. Closing now, how you're going to close it. It consists of conclusion or a comment of the writer. Sometimes it tells about the achievements or the contribution of the persons. All right, I hope it is clear. Let's move on to the next one. Sometimes a biography uses the following structure. Introducing paragraph, it tells about the person in general or the basic fact and information which has made him popular. Supporting paragraph, it consists of some paragraphs. It contains many events in chronological order, right? I hope you understand the word chronological order. It means from the very beginning to the end of the story. All right, let's move on to the next one. Now, this is an organizer. It will make it very easy for you to understand, like how the early life was, who your title will come, who you have chosen, the birth date, the death date, and if the person is alive, you don't have to mention it, and the character traits, adjectives. Now, you will be using your adjectives in it. You know that, describing words. What is he, she famous for? Is he a writer or whatever, in whichever field he is famous for, that you're going to mention it. Where in the world is he found? Now, fun facts. Maybe you are going to, some interesting facts about the person you are going to have chosen. So you are going to go through it, do the research work, and present this work on Google Class. Is it clear? I hope I made it clear. Everything is on your computer. You'll be able to do it. So see you soon. Bye.